In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an event using the Wix Events app. Whether you're hosting an online workshop, a conference, or a social gathering, Wix Events makes it easy to manage every detail from start to finish. So let's dive right in and get your event ready for the world to see. First, you'll want to add the Wix Events app to your site. Start by navigating to your Wix editor. On the left-hand menu, you'll find the App Market option. Click on it, and in the search bar, type Wix Events. Once it appears in the results, click Add to Site. The Wix Events app integrates seamlessly, providing you with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. After adding the app, it will appear on your site's dashboard and you're all set to begin creating your event. Now let's move on to creating your event. Go to your site's dashboard and you'll notice the Wix Events icon. Click on it and select the Create Event button. Here, you can start customizing your event details. Provide an engaging event name that grabs attention and accurately describes what it's about. Then add a detailed event description. This is your opportunity to really sell your event, so make it informative and compelling. Next, set the date and time. Make sure to account for different time zones if you're expecting a global audience. The next important step is setting up your ticket types. Offering various ticket types can cater to different audience needs, such as early bird specials or VIP access. In the events dashboard, you'll see an option to add tickets. Click on it and begin by choosing a suitable name for each ticket type. For example, something like general admission or premium access works well. Define the ticket prices and specify how many of each type are available. If offering tiered pricing, ensure your ticket descriptions reflect the unique benefits of each option. This is crucial for helping guests decide on their purchase. Finally, ensure everything is accurate, and once you're satisfied, hit Publish to make your event live. Publishing your event lets the world know it's happening and opens the floodgates for ticket purchases. Prior to publishing, double-check all the information you've entered to avoid any potential confusion or inconvenience for your guests. Consider previewing your event to see exactly how it appears to prospective attendees. You might catch small details that need adjusting. You've now successfully set up your event using the Wix Events app. By following these steps, you've created a streamlined, effective event page that covers all your bases. Remember, you can always log back in to make edits or updates as necessary. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your event planning.